Good morning. I'm sorry I overslept again. It's hard to get comfortable when your back's killing you. Got your food over here. Kind of sprinkling this morning. A little cold out. Well, not really cold at all, actually, but raindrops feel cold. Man, this weather really kills my back, you guys. Yeah, it hurts my back. Oh. Of course, my swing seat's wet. It's gonna be one of them mornings. What is this, a Monday? No, it's Friday. Friday? Oh well. Oh yeah, today's payday. I'm gonna get you guys some tuna and some canned food. So that should. Are you excited about that? Whatever, bro. All right, eat your breakfast. I gotta go get ready. I realize today's payday. I gotta go write our list down for the store.